Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Ahmed Waqar and I'm your computer scientist. We are going to start a new series called Python for Beginners where we would be learning the basics and fundamentals of Python programming language. Now, what is Python? Python is the world's most easiest programming language that you can learn and get along very quickly. So head over to the next tutorial where I'll be showing you the installation of Python's compiler as well as PyCharm, the best integrated development environment, or you can say a text editor for Python. Thank you very much for your time.